Today, I'm going to show you how to build a drop-down mega menu in Wix in a simple and relaxing way. First, open your Wix website and let the editor load completely. Once you're inside, click on your menu and look for the option called Manage Columns. This is where you can customize the layout of your mega menu. From here, you can remove any extra columns that you don't need. Just keep the ones that fit your design. This helps make your menu clean and easy to navigate. After adjusting the columns, click Stretch. Then select Screen so your mega menu expands nicely across the page. This gives it a wide, professional look, perfect for organizing multiple links or categories. Once everything looks the way you want, your drop-down mega menu is ready to use. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.